Hello, students. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to your English lesson. Students, in this lesson, we are going to study unit number 9 from Oxford Reading Circle, book 8. Students, here are two poems with the name of The Gardener 66 and Playthings. So, we start our lesson. This is page number 85 from your book. Now, read the poem together. The Gardener 66. A wandering madman was seeking the touchstone with matted locks, tawny of an orange-brown yellowish or brown color, and dust laden, and body worn to a shadow, his lips tight pressed like the shut up doors of his heart, his burning eyes like the lamp of a glowworm seeking its mate. Before him the endless ocean roared, the garrulous, excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. The garrulous waves ceaselessly talked of hidden treasures, mocking the ignorance that knew not their meaning. Maybe he now had no hope remaining, yet he would not rest, for the search had become his life, just as the ocean forever lifts its arms to the sky for the unattainable. Unattainable, not able to be reached or achieved. Just as the stars go in circles, yet seeking a goal that can never be reached, even so on the lonely shore the madman with dusty tawny locks still roamed in search of the touchstone. One day a village boy came up and asked, "Tell me, where did you come by this golden chain about your waist?" The madman started. The chain that once was iron was verily gold. It was not a dream, but he did not know when it had changed. When it had changed, he struck his forehead wildly. Where? Oh, where had he, without knowing it, achieved success? It had grown into a habit to pick up pebbles and touch the chain, and to throw them away without looking to see if a change had come. Thus the madman found and lost the touchstone. The sun was sinking low in the west. The sky was of gold. The madman returned on his footsteps to seek anew the lost treasure. With his strength gone, his body bent, and his heart in the dust like a tree uprooted. Reading of the poem Playthings. Child, how happy you are sitting in the dust, playing with a broken twig all the morning. I smile at your play with that little bit of a broken twig. I'm busy with my accounts, adding up figures by the hour. Perhaps you glance at me and think, what a stupid game to spoil your morning with. Child, I have forgotten the art of being absorbed in sticks and mud pies. I seek out costly playthings and gather lumps of gold and silver. With whatever you find, you create your glad games. I spend both my time and my strength over things I never can obtain. In my frail canoe, I struggle to cross the sea of desire and forget that I too am playing a game. Exercises A questions. Question number 1. What does the madman look like? How does he behave? Answer. The madman is very thin, has brown dust laden matted locks, burning eyes, and tightly pressed lips. He behaves in a wild, mad manner. 2. What do you think the hidden treasures are in the following line? The garrulous waves carelessly talked of hidden treasures, mocking the ignorance that knew not their meaning. Answer. The waves talked about the treasure hidden in the ocean's depths. They could be actual riches, meaning of life, hope, etc. Question number 3. What is the madman looking for and why? Answer is the wandering madman was looking for the touchstone which would make him successful and rich. Question number 4. The madman had grown into a habit. What was it? Answer is the madman would pick up pebbles from the shore, touch his chain with it, and then throw it back. Question number 5. Can you think of a time when you fell into the habit of doing something and forgot what made you start doing it? Describe your experience. Students, the answer from my side is no, and it's up to you that what do you write here. Question number 6. How is the madman like all human beings? Answer. Like the madman, all human beings are running after and searching for opportunities to become rich and successful. But just like the madman, we do not or we don't recognize the opportunity when we get it. Question number 7. In the poem Playthings, what is the adult doing? Answer. The adult is adding up figures and doing accounts. Question number 8. How does the adult compare his activity with that of the child's? Answer is the adult thinks that the child might be saying that the adult is spoiling his morning playing stupid games. Question number 9. How would you describe the mood of this poem? How does the poet create this mood? Answer is the mood is one of longing and realizing that the time of innocence has passed. The tone is not sad or pensive. In fact, the poet is happier about the fact that the child is enjoying his innocence than remorseful about having passed that time himself. The poet lightens the mood by using terms like stupid, playthings, and game to describe his pursuit of material things. He also smiles at the happy games of the child. Question number 10. Why do you think the adult describes the boat as a frail canoe? What kind of journey is he making? Answer is the adult is making a journey through life searching for wealth and success. The poet describes the boat as a frail canoe because the sea of desires is too strong for his attempts to overcome it. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poems, then answer the questions. 1. He struck his forehead wildly. Where? Or where had he, without knowing it, achieved success? A. Who struck his forehead and why? Answer. The madman. Because he had found the touchstone but failed to recognize it and had thus thrown it back into the sea. B. What is the success referred to in the line? Answer. Finding the touchstone that would turn iron into gold. C. How did he deal with this success? Answer. He would pick up pebbles, touch the iron chain with them, and throw them again into the sea without looking to see if a change had come. As usual, he did the same. 2. What a stupid game to spoil your morning with. A. Who says these words? The answer is the child is. B. What is the game referred to in the sentence and how does it spoil the morning? Answer is it is the game played by elders, accounts and adding up figures. It spoils the morning because the child cannot enjoy doing this. C. What does the speaker go on to say about how he spends his time? Answer is he says he spends his time seeking costly playthings and amassing wealth. See words and meaning. Explain the meaning of the following italicized words and phrases. 1. The garrulous waves. How are the waves garrulous? Answer is the noise produced by the waves. 2. The search had become his life. The meaning of this sentence is looking for the touchstone was the only purpose in the life of the madman. 3. It had grown into a habit. The meaning is this routine was so regular that it had become a habit. 4. I seek out costly playthings. Meaning of this sentence is expensive toys like gathering money. 5. I struggle to cross the sea of desire. The meaning of this sentence is never ending desires and wishes. E. Discuss and write. 1. In the first poem, there is some conversation between the madman and the village boy. Before this, the poet tells us that the garrulous waves ceaselessly talked. Discuss all the dialogues in the poem, make up some more of your own, and act out the story. Students say the garrulous waves ceaselessly talked about hidden treasures under the sea and making fun of man that the madman is not able to recognize the true wealth of life. Next, one day a village boy asked him about gold chain which the madman was wearing in his waist. Hearing this, the madman fell into conflict. When or where the iron chain had turned into gold, he could not felt the true sense of success. 2. Read the poems a number of times. The poet describes two simple stories, but is there a deeper meaning? Think about what else the poet is trying to say. He is telling us something about the actions of humans and the important things in life. What are they? Answer is the poet is trying to say that we must not be greedy and want more than what we have. Desire and greed will only make us unhappy. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.